In this video, I want to share how to make money with QR codes. There are many ways to do it, but here is one strategy that I use personally. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for years. Thanks to what I do online, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are at their job. Hey, I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I do read and respond to all of them. So QR codes, QR stands for quick response, are a bunch of black squares on a white background, and they can be read by the camera on your smartphone. I'm sure you've seen them. They are used for a lot of different things, but here's how I use QR codes to make money in my online business. Here's the business card that I've used for some time to direct people to my website to learn about an income opportunity. I only give these cards out in person to someone I've talked to. I don't leave them all over town like we used to do back in the days of what we called sizzle cards. They were jammed with information. Before the internet, we used cards with 800 numbers. Then when the internet came along, we used web addresses. And I used to leave cards everywhere. Bulletin boards, gas pumps, tips at restaurants, and more. Well, today, I only give cards out when I've talked to someone in person. Handing a card out is a lot easier than getting someone to remember a web address. This card is real basic by design. I want them to go to the website and watch a video. So that's all I put on the card, no other information to distract them, and this card has worked great. When people join my team, one of the things they learn in our private members-only website is the one sentence I say that almost gets people begging for my web address to learn more. So that's the card that I have been using, but I'm going to take things one step further now and add a QR code for my website to the card. Now, there are many places that you can get a QR code made for you for free. It's easy to do yourself too. Since I get the cards printed at Vista Print, I created the QR code there. So here's the new version of the business card with the QR code. I've seen people on our team use QR codes in a number of different ways. Postcards, yard signs, and car signs are just some that come to mind. QR codes are powerful. Here's the thing. Everyone carries a phone today. The QR code makes it even easier to get people your information. So that's the strategy. It's simple, it's inexpensive, and it really gets results. And if you are looking for a way to make a significant income in very minimal time, use the QR code now to check out what I do online. It only takes a few minutes a day, and it's the fastest growing business in the home business industry. It might be just right for you too. Or if you want to get to the website the old-fashioned way, that's okay too. Just go to wannalivebetter.com. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.